Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another update on PEPEcoin price prediction for March 2024. Sitting on the biggest gainers, rank number 2, having above 10% movement for the last 24 hours. Of course, we have been through a retracement just like the entire altcoin market. Yeah, the way the reactions are appearing on this meme coins in terms of the buying pressure and recoveries are very strong. So I'd like to share with you the probabilities and what we could expect in the future from PEPEcoin at this time. Before we dive into the topic, make sure to check out the YouTube channel, subscribe, like this video, enjoy yourself checking out the trade as well. I do have a live trade going right now on the BTC on Bybit, and I'm running this trade for a while since Bitcoin was 38 grand. We're leveraged out and we have a 7-figure feature right here, $1.1 million profit on this one, still holding it and doing nicely. If you would like to be part of the trades, you can definitely do so without any upfront fees, just a commission from the pure profits earned, completely done for you, completely outsourced for you, including for those of you that are serious about a crypto space and believe in financial freedom. Then it's time to learn and educate yourself around the topic. One-on-one coaching with me, where you can find out more at the end of the video, folks. Now, the daily candlesticks for PEPEcoin is something that I'd like to touch basis on. It's something that I'd like to speak about. So the first thing that we got into is the all-time high movement, of course, on the Binance chart. This all-time high movement that we have been facing in the current context is sort of a way portraying the ability for us to see a massive volatility around these levels, especially a correction that we have been facing. It's a phase of 46%, massive correction out there, building out of a couple of strong selling pressure daily candles, which is leaving a lot of the room towards the upside, especially into the structure of the golden pocket. In between the two orange lines is what I'm targeting basically for March 2024, which means that from the lows until the two orange lines, I'm going to have 55% return in the movement, which I strongly believe in a meme coin, which might not take many days as well to achieve that, is definitely something to be enjoying, especially doing it on leverage. Whether we speak about a 5x leverage, which could be 260, 270% on the margin, whether we speak about a 10x, which would be over 500% on the margin, but that's quite risky to go 10x leverage on meme coins. Or you can also talk about the conservative approaches with 2 or 3x. We are speaking about a great possibility, a great chance right here for market returns. You definitely need to be careful that the markets could revisit certain areas of the 1.618 extension of the Fibonacci, right? So they can always do this, they can always do this. Always do that, especially that you're going to have to fight with a number 2 extension, which is going to be a difficult, battle. At the end of the day, things got to get into the golden pocket, but at the same time, we should not forget the fact that the movement from here into the golden pocket is not minor. Even though we speak about a cryptocurrency which can do 20-30% in a day, that's right. And there is a lot of the room of volatility and liquidity in the top. That's for sure. I mean, it can get to the 1,000 price, right? The golden pocket sits in the 900s, but it can get into the 1,000 price, which will basically take the entire liquidity from the highs and portray basically a possible reaction of a market reversal once again at that level, establishing a double top, and then things are going to get back into the downtrending movements until the BTC halving disappears and the entire hype around the thing, with the sell the events and all that. Of course, this is a scenario, and things could get into the all-time high by later on this year, after the summer, after June, July, August. Things might get into the strength, which is something that is expected for PEPEcoin as well. So beautiful 2.618 touch on the top, something that we have been expecting, slightly above the 1,000 on the price section. It is just great to be having basically proper and accurate technical analysis that we can work with. That's pretty much all, guys. We're also getting supported by the red moving average line, which is the 20 days moving average line. That's where we get the reaction today. It's a significant reaction. It was needed, and it's really welcome. Beautiful, folks. That's pretty much it on the topic. Once again, enjoy this video. And if you care about your education, if you like to go for financial freedom, then this is a one-on-one coaching program with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Check out a video to understand how does it work, and register now for more information, especially a free conversation with me. Enjoy, guys. We'll talk to you soon.